I'm here. That big old boy broke my line. He was huge. But let's see if there's another one in there. Here we go. Oh yeah. Oh, he let go of it. Okay. I see how y'all gonna play. Yeah. Here we go. Give that little fidget there. Up. Well, I'm surprised I got through 2 casts without getting him, but we're gonna get him this time. Oh yeah, we got their attention. There we go. Oh, we didn't get the hook in there set good. By golly, these some smart fish here. Yes, sir. But I know that Rex is in here somewhere. There we go. Oh, you hear that drag? Man. Oh yeah, this boy right here, he don't want to come in. He don't want to come in. Oh, there he is. Yeah. He's jumping all over the place out there. Yes, sir. All right, Rex, come on, baby. You're going to be a YouTube star. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Boy, if old trout guy could see me now. Yes, sir. Hey, Matt, you watching this, bud? Look at here. You know I done found the secret hole now. Yes, sir. Look at that big old monster right there. Oh, come on, baby. You're going to be a YouTube star. You're going to have to wear this boy down. This is going to be a fight here. Uh-huh. There he is. He's already done his acrobatics. Whew. Let's see if we can get this boy out of here. I don't know. He don't look like he's done yet. He's just taking that line out when he wants to. Oh, yeah, he's a good one. This right here, everybody, is the Troutasaurus Rex. I know y'all thought I was kidding. Oh, there he is. There he is. We're not going to give him a chance to break this line. We got him pretty wore down, so. Oh, that's what we like. We like to see them fight. That's a mean boy right here. You know, I might just eat this guy. We might just see this, we might see this fish get cooked on the old Biker Dude show here later tonight. He just looks delicious. Let's see if we can get around here and get, uh-oh, he got loose. Up, score 1 for the Troutasaurus Rex. He got away. Yes, you gotta love that guy's spirit.